So this is the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 8K 24 frames. I'm trying to shoot it at night, and what I'm trying to achieve here is the visual quality and the audio quality. Please take note that there's no stabilization. There's only one mode. You can't zoom in or zoom out, and I'm going to shoot as I'm walking. I can't really tell the quality of the 8K because the screen looks okay. So um, so I need to check this on 4K TV or 4K monitor to see how good is this Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 8K resolution at night.